What's up, mother flippers? Alright, we found the next project. 2021 Yamaha YZ250F. 650 bucks, it's all apart. Has some good suspension, got some good parts. Motor's all apart in a box. Most of the engine, it says. The guy didn't want to be on camera, but this is it right here. So, doesn't look too bad. It's definitely all apart. It's got good tires on it, the rims look good. It's got the suspension like he said, it's got pro taper bars. But this is our motor here. We got the cases, the valve cover, the clutch assembly, the head. I don't know if this is even the right head. We got a cylinder in there. The cylinder actually looked pretty good. Looks like we got some extra. Nope, no, that's part of it. We have an extra spring. When we get back to the house, we will unload all this and see exactly what we got. I know he said we're missing the top of the airbox, all the plastics, none of the side panels we have. The header for the exhaust is missing. He said the CDI box was missing. I don't know if this is it, or if this is just another module, but we got the throttle bodies, we got the tank with the pump. There is a battery in there, both parts of the seat. So the front brake is here in this box. There's no chain. Definitely missing some stuff. When we get it all, we'll see what we have of all the motor and price it out. But if it was just the motor pieces, it would definitely be worth buying the plastics and the other missing stuff, the airbox, this, that. Probably end up buying a whole new exhaust if we were to fix it to get it running, because this is kind of crunched up here. But in all reality, it looks, this might just be a parts bike. We might be just selling this for parts. But I did get a clean title with this too, and we got this for 400 bucks, so it's definitely worth the gamble. I really don't have much luck with blown up 4-strokes, but this one's new, pretty new, so it was worth the gamble.